Did you know that buried deep within the Earth's crust lies a hidden treasure that powers our modern world? It's not gold or silver, but something even more precious: rare earth metals. These unassuming elements possess a remarkable power that fuels our smartphones, electrifies our cars, and propels us into the green energy future. In this thrilling journey, we're about to embark on an adventure that will introduce you to the exciting world of rare earth metals investment. Buckle up, because we're going to unearth the secrets, explore the opportunities, and discover why investing in rare earth metals is not just for the experts, but a golden ticket for beginners as well. The allure of rare earth metals. In the heart of our modern technological marvels lies a group of elements so extraordinary that they seem like they're from another world. Rare earth metals, while not as famous as gold or silver, possess a magic all their own. These elements are the unsung heroes that make our gadgets smarter, our energy keener, and our world more connected than ever before. Picture this: your smartphone in your hand, the hum of electric cars on the streets, and the mesmerizing glow of LED lights in your home, all made possible by rare earth metals. They possess an almost mystical quality, enhancing the colors on the screen, making magnets unimaginably strong, and powering the engines of the future. But their allure isn't limited to just convenience and innovation. Rare earth metals are the cornerstone of sustainability, driving the green revolution forward. As the world clamors for cleaner energy and greener technologies, these elements have taken center stage, promising a future where our planet is healthier and our energy sources are more environmentally friendly. The rare earth metals landscape, a spectrum of extraordinary elements. Rare earth metals, despite their name, are far from ordinary. They encompass a spectrum of extraordinary elements, each with its own unique characteristics and applications. These metals aren't just rare. They're incredibly versatile and indispensable in modern technology. Meet the cast of characters. Neodymium. This magnetic superstar is the reason your headphones deliver crystal clear sound. It's also a key player in electric vehicle motors. Dysprosium. The guardian of green energy, dysprosium ensures your wind turbines spin efficiently and your electric cars have extended range. Terbium. A phosphorescent showstopper, terbium makes your television and smartphone screens dazzle with brilliant colors. Yttrium. Yttrium's contributions extend to everything from lasers and superconductors to cancer treatments and fuel cells. And the list goes on, each element with its own superpower in the world of technology and innovation. The rare earth metals landscape is a mesmerizing tapestry of elements, each with a role to play in advancing our society and transforming our future. The advantages of investing in rare earth metals: a ticket to the future. Investing in rare earth metals is not merely a financial decision. It's an invitation to participate in a thrilling revolution that's reshaping our world. We'll unveil the compelling advantages of rare earth metal investments that go far beyond traditional opportunities. Diversification beyond measure. Rare earth metals offer a unique avenue for diversifying your investment portfolio. They stand as a separate asset class, often moving independently from traditional stocks and bonds. This diversification can help safeguard your wealth against market volatility. Long-term potential. Consider rare earth metals as your long-term companions in the world of investments. As the demand for these elements continues to grow, their value is poised for sustained appreciation. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategy for building lasting wealth. Impact on innovation. Investing in rare earth metals means you're backing the drivers of technological innovation. These metals are the magic ingredients behind the gadgets, clean energy solutions, and advanced technologies of the future. By investing, you become part of the journey toward a more technologically advanced world. Environmental responsibility. Rare earth metals play a pivotal role in the green energy revolution. Investing in them aligns with environmental responsibility, as they enable the development of sustainable technologies that combat climate change and reduce our carbon footprint. Getting started as a rare earth metals investor, your path to unearth hidden wealth. Now that you're captivated by the allure of rare earth metals, it's time to take your first step toward becoming a savvy investor in this exciting realm. We'll guide you on your exhilarating journey to getting started as a rare earth metals investor. Navigate the terrain. The world of rare earth metals may seem like uncharted territory, but fear not. We'll provide you with a roadmap to navigate this captivating landscape, ensuring you make informed decisions. Do your research. Knowledge is your greatest asset as an investor. We'll share insights on how to research the market, understand the supply and demand dynamics, and identify promising investment opportunities. Select trustworthy sources. In the digital age, information is abundant, but not all sources are created equal. Learn how to distinguish reliable sources of information from the noise, ensuring you stay well informed. Market trends and regulations. Keeping your finger on the pulse of market trends and regulations is crucial. We'll delve into the ever-evolving landscape of rare earth metals, equipping you with the tools to adapt and thrive. Join the community. You're not alone on this thrilling journey. Discover the power of networking and community engagement in the world of rare earth metals. Sharing knowledge and experiences can be a valuable asset. Becoming a rare earth metals investor is akin to embarking on a treasure hunt, where each piece of knowledge and every investment decision brings you closer to unearthing hidden wealth. Risks and challenges. Navigating the thrills and potholes. As you venture deeper into the world of rare earth metal investments, it's essential to acknowledge the exhilarating but sometimes perilous terrain that lies ahead. We'll shed light on the risks and challenges you may encounter on your journey and provide you with strategies to navigate them effectively. Market volatility. The rare earth metals market is known for its fluctuations. We'll discuss how to weather the storms and make informed decisions during times of market volatility. Supply and demand dynamics. Understanding the delicate balance between supply and demand is key. We'll explore how disruptions in the supply chain or sudden shifts in demand can impact your investments. Environmental concerns. Rare earth metals mining and processing can have environmental implications. We'll delve into the environmental challenges and how responsible investing can mitigate these concerns. Regulatory hurdles. Navigating the regulatory landscape, which can vary from one region to another, is essential. We'll provide insights into staying compliant with regulations and ensuring your investments are secure. Global geopolitics. Geopolitical factors can influence the rare earth metals market. We'll examine how international tensions and policies can affect your investments. Remember, every investment journey has its thrills and challenges. Just as explorers face hurdles on their quests for hidden treasures, rare earth metal investors encounter obstacles. But it's in overcoming these challenges that you become a seasoned and successful investor. The future of rare earth metals, a journey into tomorrow's wealth. As we peer ahead into the crystal ball of rare earth metals, we catch a glimpse of an exhilarating and transformative future. We'll unravel the thrilling possibilities and innovations that await in the world of rare earth metals, where wealth is not just discovered but actively shaped. Innovative advancements. Brace yourself for a world where innovation knows no bounds. We'll explore the cutting-edge advancements poised to redefine industries and propel humanity forward. Green energy revolution. Rare earth metals are at the heart of the green energy revolution. We'll uncover how these elements are paving the way for sustainable solutions, from electric vehicles to renewable energy sources. The quantum leap. Quantum technologies are on the horizon, and rare earth metals play a vital role in their development. We'll peer into the realm of quantum computing and communication, where the future is both thrilling and mind-bending. Global impact. Rare earth metals aren't just elements, they're global game changers. We'll reveal how these metals are reshaping economies, influencing geopolitics, and contributing to a more interconnected world. Your role in shaping the future. As a rare earth metals enthusiast and investor, you're not a passive spectator but an active participant in crafting the future. We'll inspire you to seize the opportunities that lie ahead and contribute to this dynamic industry. The future of rare earth metals is not just a distant dream. It's a thrilling journey waiting to be embarked upon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our future content. Also, click the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.